Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm going to show you how to stop syncing profile picture from Instagram to Facebook. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're going to click next to the reels, the avatar icon right here, and you're going to go to the three lines in the top right, and you will go to your settings. Afterwards, you're gonna go to your account right here, and you're gonna just see the multiple options. You're gonna click on sharing to other apps. So we're gonna proceed, and you're gonna see right here your Facebook, your Instagram linked to your Facebook. We're gonna just click on right here, and we're gonna just just go back and go to our profiles, and you're gonna see right here the name of your account on Facebook linked to Instagram. So we're gonna click on the first option right here, which we synced. So you're gonna see right here the account on Facebook and the last thing, and the account on Instagram. So we're gonna click on the account on Instagram right here, and we're gonna disable the syncing profile info. So we're gonna stop right here, and it says right here stop syncing profile info, and you're gonna just click on the left, which is stop syncing. And basically that's how you stop syncing profile info or picture from Instagram to Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Following it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.